birds are just harmless little creatures, or are they? The cassowary can disembowel a human in a single kick. It's been called the world's most dangerous bird, and it lives in Australia, obviously. Cuckoo birds lay their eggs in other birds' nests. When the cuckoo chick hatches, it pushes every other egg out, so it gets all the food. Shrikes, small songbirds, impale their prey on thorns and barbed wire to store food. They've been called the butcher bird. Seagulls have been documented attacking and eating live pigeons in urban areas. They're not just stealing your chips anymore. The bearded vulture dyes its own feathers red using iron-rich soil. Scientists believe it's to appear more dominant and intimidating. Birds are way scarier than you think. Follow for more wild animal facts.